Hi, I'm Denise Miller from Visual Faith Ministry. In this project, I wanted to show how you can make cute little journals from tags, and it's just from folding. Now, these do have color already on them because I used my jelly plate to add color, and I'll do a video someday on jelly printing. But you really don't need a jelly print. You can add color with markers, colored pencils, paint, anything you want. And you can even cover it with just any colored paper that you have, any old paper that has a pattern. Just glue it on and you're good to go. So here's two different types. On both of these, all I did for the center to attach all the pages together is staple. But you can sew it if you want. You can sew it on a sewing machine, or you can actually hand stitch, or you can just staple, whatever you would like. So they're quick and easy. Let me show you one that is, let me see if I've stapled it together. I have, but I have not put any color on these. Now for your amount of pages, it really depends if you are going to use each page separately, like this would be 1, this would be 2, or if you're using it together, that would be 1. If you're doing it separately, counting this outside as a cover, you get about 18 pages. If you're using these together, obviously you get about half of that. On this one, as you can see, I did use it as a whole. I wrote about the name of God, Yahweh, and put some notes on it. On this, because you have two different colors, I might use them as a separate page. So how do you make these? And I will show you. It's very, very quick and easy. All you need is 5 tags. And the tags that I have are the ones that are a little bit more than 6 inches. And that little bit extra actually works to our advantage because when you fold, you lose a little bit of the measurement because once you start nesting them together and stacking them, it starts pushing it out a little bit. So it's actually better that way. So all I do is I take a tag and then I measure in 1 inch from the bottom, and then fold. And you just do the same thing, 2 inches, fold, 3 inches, fold, 4 inches, fold, and then 5 inches and fold, and you have your book. Then I would open it, and like I said, you can do anything you want, staple, sew, anything like that. And once that is done, you are done. And it's quick and easy, but they're really, really cute. They make wonderful gifts and wonderful if you're taking notes or studying something, a specific topic in the Bible. It's kind of fun to, write your topic on the first little one and then take your notes. But you have all these pages here, and then you have your pages on the inside as well. Now, technically, you could glue all these together to make one big cover, and then you just have these pages here. That's cute, and I've seen that as well, but I kind of like them all separate as well. It's not that you have 2 books, but you just have a lot more pages to play with. So if you make one of these and you would like to show it to us, please share in the comments, or you can take a picture and upload it to our Facebook page. We have a group and a business Facebook page, so make sure it's in the groups, which is facebook.com/groups/Visual Faith Ministry.